Greetings and welcome to the introduction to astronomy. In this brief video, I am just going to talk about the updates to the channel coming in April of 2025. So what do I plan on doing? Well, let's go ahead and let me show you here. What I have is, of course, the channel was designed specifically to do lecture slides and videos that are in use with the OpenStax Astronomy 2nd edition textbook. I may be updating several of these as I go through them, and there may be additional releases to the main content over the course of the year, but that is just subject to whatever I happen to need. However, I will continue to post 3 videos a week. So the channel will continue to be updated. On my Monday is my astronomy picture of the day video, which is published here. I do those daily on another channel, but I publish the Monday ones here, which are ones I often use with my classes. So this will continue for the rest of the year. On Wednesday, I have been doing exploration of the solar system. That will continue at least for the next 3 months as we work through the more recent spacecraft that have observed the universe and our solar system going into the 1990s now as we currently work through. The change will be for Fridays. Fridays, I had been doing a special topic series, and I am going to pause that as of the end of March. And I'm going to return to the Astronomy of Other Cultures series. And that will occur for the next few months. Whether it be 3 or 6 really just depends on how much I'm able to get with the series I want to do. I'm really going to be focusing on the contributions of the Muslim astronomers of the Middle Ages. So we want to try to take a look at those and get an idea of how things changed from the astronomy of the Greeks through the astronomy of the Renaissance. So we'll take a look at some of the things that were learned there as we work through this. So that concludes this quick summary of the changes coming to this channel starting in April of 2025. We will see you next time. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.